friends around the world and welcome again to my channel. So today is an amazing day for persons that doesn't know me. I'm Assia, your Moroccan Arabic teacher and vlogger, and welcome in my channel. Yes. Persons that follow me, welcome back guys, and today we will talk what we do today or what we're gonna do today. شنو غنديرو اليوم؟ شنو غنديرو اليوم؟ Okay, perfect, because it's the weekend and it's summertime. I mean, it's the weekend today. Okay, so what we gonna do? شنو غنديرو في الويكند؟ شنو غنديرو في الويكند؟ شنو كنديرو في الويكند؟ What are we doing right now in the weekend? شنو غنديرو في العطلة ديالنا؟ شنو غنديرو في العطلة ديالنا؟ What are we gonna do in our vacation? Summer as صيف. Excellent. شنو غنديرو هاد الصيف? What are we gonna do this summer? شنو غنديرو هاد الصيف? Amazing, perfect. Okay, so the phrase is what are we gonna do? شنو غنديرو اليوم today؟ شنو غنديرو اليوم؟ شنو غنديرو هاد الصيف؟ شنو غنديرو في العطلة؟ شنو غنديرو في الويكند؟ So في N. Okay, perfect, amazing. Okay guys, yes, so the next thing is what are we doing right now? As we see, what are we doing? Or what are you doing? Okay, if I will ask some, what are you doing right now? شنو كدير دابا؟ شنو كدير دابا؟ أنا كنصايب الماكلة، أنا كناكل، أنا خارج برا، أنا في الدار. I'm home. Okay, so شنو كدير دابا for female؟ شنو كديري دابا؟ شنو كديري دابا؟ Okay, same thing, just A in the end, and we see for female. Okay, so this is the difference. Moroccan Arabic have female and male, masculine and feminine words. Okay, so be careful, not just you as English. So here we have feminine and we have masculine words that must be A in the end, depends on the word. Okay, so here is, okay, so أنا خارجة، أنا في الدار. Okay, so okay, here is almost the same words to use. Okay, yes, so أنا خارجة، أنا كناكل، أنا كنشرب. Okay, that's it. I mean, like example, you can like write more examples in the comments below so I can correct it for you. So this is it. Okay, so we see two important phrases right now with the same question of our video today is what are you doing? Okay, what are you doing right now? Okay, what you gonna do? Okay, what are you doing? شنو غدير? Okay, for male. شنو غديري for female. What are you gonna do? That's mean in the future. شنو غدير? شنو غديري? Okay, for us. شنو غديرو? Okay, so in group. شنو غديرو? Okay, as we see in the summer, in the weekend, في الويكند، في الصيف. Okay, شنو كدير دابا؟ Sorry, what are you doing right now? شنو كدير دابا؟ Okay, شنو كدير is the verb for masculine here. شنو كدير and دابا is now. Okay, so شنو plus كديري, that's A in the end, mean feminine, plus now, that is دابا. Okay, so you can change it, depends on what you want to say. Okay, شنو كدير هاد الصباح in the morning؟ شنو كدير في العشية؟ this. Yes, and for night time شنو كدير هاد الليل؟ Okay, so أنا خارج مع صحابي، أنا خارجة، I'm going out for female. Okay, so see how it changed. Like the verb is take the verb, right? Change with masculine, feminine, and we can add the time on the change daily time, or like change it to decade. I don't know, like change the time, you know. So you can have the phrase, but it's like almost the same construction of the sentence. So you have ana, that is me, okay, and it's gonna be the verb and plus what I'm doing right now. Okay, I'm out, I'm eating, I'm in the restaurant, okay, in the airport, في المطار. Okay, so that's the like the construction of the phrase. Okay, let's repeat from the beginning. Which phrases did we see? Okay, it's 3 phrases because I put the future. I didn't like have the main phrase in general, but 3. Okay, these 3 phrases, can you tell me? Yes. شنو كدير? What are you doing? شنو كدير? شنو كديري? Okay, so me now I can add دابا. Okay, now, or I can like not add it, like take it out. But it still mean now, like the present. Okay, the future. شنو غدير? Okay, شنو غدير for female. شنو غديري? Okay, دابا. Okay, شنو غديري? Okay, also the near future. Okay, also we can like ask about the future, about in group, like what you guys can do. Okay, so it's gonna be شنو غديرو. Okay, شنو غديرو. Okay, في العطلة في صيف, in your vacation in summer. So okay, so let's repeat. شنو كدير? شنو غدير? Okay, شنو غدير? شنو كدير. Okay, so ka in the K in the first is mean the present. غدير mean the future. The verb here is in the future. Okay, so yes, so or where like the third one is with daba. We can take it and we can like add it. It depends on the phrase. So this is the 3 phrases we see. So شنو غدير or غديرو or غديري. So I just changed it female masculine group. Okay, شنو كدير. Okay, the present كدير. Okay, what are you doing? What are you doing for female? شنو كديري. And the group شنو كديرو. Okay, perfect. And we can stick with the future or the present and add daba in the end of the phrase. Okay, so if we add it with the future, it's gonna be the near future, like 2 minutes after, 1 hour after. It's still the future. Okay, but it's like the near okay, near future. Okay, perfect. So yeah, this is the 3 phrases. I hope this class today is more useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more lessons, let me know. Thank you guys. Bon weekend. عطلة سعيدة. عطلة سعيدة. Yes. بسلامة. Bye bye to the next time.